Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get big, wide stereo acoustic guitars by using a capo. But first, let me show you the end result and then explain how I got there. Let's bring in the piano. And now let's hear the full track. So the first thing that I notice is that I've got this piano part here. Now what I want to do is to keep the acoustic guitars away from those sort of frequencies. So that's why I've chosen the 5th fret as my first position. So I'm going to be playing the chord C, or the shape C I should say, which is the chord F on the 5th fret, a G shape, an A minor, and an F shape. So let's hear that first of all. So what I'm going to do next is to record that part and then I'll come back. Let's play back the first part, which I decided to play even straighter. Okay, so that's really working for me. What I need to do now is to move the capo. So we're playing a different inversion of the same chord. So I'm going to choose the 3rd fret for this. So I'm going to move the capo down to the 3rd fret. Now, really importantly, when you're moving around a capo, you need to make sure the guitar's still in tune. As I've changed the capo position, now I need to change the shape of the chords. And let's hear that. And let's record that. I decided to record 2 different takes of the same part so I could pan them left and right. Let's hear one of them back. So now we're starting to get the width. Let's add one more shape in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the capo right up to the 10th fret here. And now this is going to give me an almost mandolin part, being quite high up the neck. But the great thing about this, it also sounds like a bit of a Nashville type tuning. Let's have a listen to that. And let's record that. And again, I decided to record two parts on this. So what I'm going to be doing is to pan these out hard left and right. The last ones I recorded, again, I'm panning out hard left and right. And the first guitar I recorded, I'm panning just slightly to the left. Now let's hear all these together, just the guitars. Let's bring in the piano. And now let's hear the full track.
Keep my eyes out on the horizon. Be deaf to the sirens. Light a spark and let it burn. What if the world didn't turn?
So I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.